PewDiePie is now training his own AI. You know the guy, he was a gamer. He started as a gamer. He started streaming and also sharing his videos on YouTube, and he become big before T-Series. I don't know. Who knows this? If you know this, comment it. Like, tell me that you know that part of internet history. But recently, he's been making videos on how he's building his own PC and started like with Linux and things like this. And now he made a video called "Stop Using AI Right Now," and it's quite funny. In the video, he shows how he is running his models locally. So this is how it starts. He's running a bunch of models locally, and he's in this video specifically saying he's not touching any image or video generation tool. He's just talking about like LLMs
Inference.
for inference. Exactly. He shows that he creates 8 agents that talk to one another when he asks the AI something. These 8 different AIs think, and then they talk to one another, and through a voting system, the winner vote gets outputted, and the agents that perform bad consistently, they get axed. He essentially removes them. He kills the AIs, and the AI figure that out. They see that, and he reads the logs, and he sees the AIs talk to each other and like, who invented this sick game that kills us for having a different opinion. So the AIs come up with a way to compensate for that, so they vote in a way that nobody gets killed. So they get not really useful because they change their opinion so they don't get collectively killed. Anyway, he shows that, and he shows how he made his own web like interface, all vibe coded to talk to his AI, to do web search, uh, yeah, to do a bunch of things like this, and it's really cool. The video is really cool, and he continues. By the end of the video, he shows that he's starting to work on training his own AI, not just inferencing, but like training like a little. He's just fully getting in and just enjoying becoming an engineer in a way. Yeah, he is becoming an engineer. Like, dude, a bunch of like his last videos are around these things.
Yeah, it's funny because, like, honestly, don't get PewDiePie at all. Like, he's huge. I just do not.
I enjoy
He's
his
not
videos.
someone that appeals to me. I don't know his history. You said he was a gamer or something like this. It's not the point. I watched his he anti-Google video, de-Googling himself, and he inspired me to start looking into this stuff. And in some small way, even though he wasn't specifically talking about AI, he probably had some impact on inspiring me to start to look into local LLM stuff. Because I remember looking at that thinking, I'd love a remote server that's stored in my thing that I could access all my drives. And I started looking into it and trying to figure all that out. And then I was like, it'd be cool to have my own cloud LLM running, all this, that, and the other. So it's so funny how a quote unquote normie is doing things and doing things well, clearly. Like, I haven't seen that video, by the way. If he can figure it out, I can figure it out. And fair play to him, Didn't you say Theo covered this video as well?
Yeah, he. I think so. I didn't watch the stream, but his stream name was like the stream title was reacting to PewDiePie's video or something like this, and a bunch of people started reacting to him, and I saw posts on Twitter, on Instagram, people praising him, essentially saying that this guy, he went through, he did video funny videos on the internet, gaming, and now he's just learning programming. And he actually says in his video that he truly enjoys going in the zone and learning coding. And he says it's so hard, but he's enjoying it so much because he has to concentrate and just learn so much. And I do feel the same. Like, I'm pushing still like code and I'm still learning, and it's really fun when I can get the chance to get in the zone and just focus on learning it. So a lot of people saying AI is coming and don't learn this, don't learn that. I think that's like the worst advice. Just learn whatever you're passionate about, and if it's coding, even better. I would highly recommend learning it.
Yeah. I say it again,
Yeah,
gatekeeping is just, for some
yeah,
reason, people just want to gatekeep, any sort of discovery and enablement of people learning stuff. And PewDiePie is an interesting case because, like I say, he built his own server. He built a Linux server that he could run his email, store his files, photos, all that sort of. So he's obviously a very talented, clever person. However, AI has enabled him to essentially become a developer, is
yeah,
interested in it, only for his own personal projects. And I won't dwell on it too much, but it just goes into what I was just saying about this idea that people are building their own apps and they are being introduced to it, and it's not as hard as they once thought, and it's more fun than they thought. You're going to capture people just by lowering that bar. So fair play to it. Good on him.
yeah.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.